everyone, so for today's video, I'm going to share with you again another fantastic websites or agencies na nag-hire ng mga virtual assistant regardless of your experience level. Even your fresh grad ka pa lang, newbie, or someone with experience na. These companies provide and offer exciting opportunities for you. Meron silang mga paid training, there's a work from home setup, and they have also benefits. And you can earn here up to 70,000 pesos. And if you're someone with experience na, you could potentially earn here up to 80,500 per month. So, ang exciting, diba? So, if you want to get more information about this, just stay tuned until the end of the video para wala kayong ma-miss na information. Let's get started! So guys, don't forget to hit that like button and also syempre subscribe and share it to your friends or family na nangangailangan ng video na to. First, let's discuss a website that hire virtual assistant without experience. Let's start with WFH Homes. This is a property management firm specializing in both long-term and short-term rental properties in Atlanta. So they hire virtual assistant para makatulong with their real estate tasks and manage social media. Here are the open position na hinahire nila. The first one is real estate virtual assistant. So ang gagawin mo dito, you have to assist with property listing, bookings, and client communication. And the next one here is real estate social media manager. So you have to focus on content creation and social media strategy. For the qualification, no experience required. This is perfect for beginners, okay? So you'll need a stable internet connection, of course, since this is a work from home setup. Next is basic computer literacy and good reading and verbal English skills. So also, if you're interested in social media management, syempre dapat magaling ka sa designs. Now, let's go for the benefits. So they offer health cash allowance, paid time off, paid training, and the position, yung mga position na ina-offer nila is full-time, wala silang part-time. So this is 100% work from home setup and graveyard shift kasi yung mga client nila is from US. So virtual assistant here can expect to earn between 35,000 to 70,000 monthly. Now we're going to discuss website that hire virtual assistant with some experience required. Next we have is Brevity Virtual Assistant. So this is the leader of real estate virtual assistant na nagpo-provide sa mga companies worldwide for their agents, teams, and broker looking to scale up and grow their business. So here are the open position for Filipinos. The first one is executive assistant. So yung magiging role mo here as an real estate executive assistant is to assist real estate teams with their daily tasks. Next is social media specialist. So you have to manage and create engaging content. And inside sales associate. So you have to handle client interaction and lead generation. And lastly is transaction coordinator. So as a transaction coordinator, you have to manage real estate transaction and client files. So what are the qualifications? So you'll need an associate or bachelor degree in any field. At least 1 to 2 years of relevant experience is required. So, very ideal to doon sa may mga background in real estate or administrative work. So, what are the benefits? So, Brevity Virtual Assistant offers a comprehensive benefits package, including HMO coverage for you and one dependent. Next is retirement plan, of course, stock purchase program, and professional development support. So you can earn here up to 67,500 per month, depending on skills or experience that you have. Next is Wing Assistant. So si Wing Assistant, nagpo-provide sila ng virtual assistant service tailored for startups and enterprise teams. So they offer a dedicated full-time virtual assistant on a month-to-month subscription basis, allowing businesses to delegate tasks and processes efficiently. So, currently, nag-a-accept sila ng mga application for a wide range of virtual assistant position. So, lahat ng position are remote and can be served from anywhere in the world. So, ito yung mga open position nila na pwede niyong applyan. The first one is executive assistant. So, here, you have to help clients with day-to-day tasks and scheduling. Next is healthcare virtual assistant. So, as a healthcare virtual assistant, you have to provide administrative support to healthcare clients. They have also open positions for sales, marketing, bookkeeping, graphic design, and social media assistant. Now, for the benefits, they have, of course, health insurance. They also provide performance incentives, job security and stability. They also have paid trainings for you, and they have inclusive culture, also upskilling opportunities, and this is a work from home, 100% work from home setup. And they also offer opportunities for career growth and development, fun work environment, and holiday and overtime pay. And for the estimated pay or salary range here depending on your experience. So for the entry level, so this is 1 to 2 years of experience, you can earn up to 53,000 monthly here. For intermediate level, so this is 3 years to 5 years of experience, so you can earn up to 64,000 per month. And then for the expert level, of course, this is 5 years plus years of experience, so you can earn here up to 80,500 per month. Finally, we have Athena. So Athena stand out because they provide you with a company-issued MacBook once na-match kayo with a client. So Athena offers high-quality executive assistant services and work with clients worldwide. So here are the qualification ni Athena. So dapat excellent command of the English language for both spoken and written. Willingness to work full-time. So evening shift ito, kaya usually yung mga clients nila from USA yata. Working knowledge of Google Workspace. So you have dapat may knowledge kayo about Gmail, Google Calendar, Google Drive, Google Docs, Sheets, Forms, Slides, and also productivity in project management tools or apps. And preferably, dapat may experience din, gusto din nila na dapat may experience with online or remote or virtual work. Pero hindi naman siya masyado essential. And lastly, a charismatic can-do attitude. Now, sinasabi nila dito na while you are in the wait list, you have to invest your training and development. So, habang nasa training stage kayo, you need to provide your own devices or laptop habang nasa training kayo. Kasi doon lang nila ibibigay yung MacBook Athena once na match na kayo with the client. Alright? So, for the benefits, they paid high touch training, so all in 30,000 training allowance package for a maximum of 6 weeks paid weekly. And then they have also HMO coverage on the 3rd week from the date na na-hire kayo, with 1 free dependent and optional to add additional dependent. Babayaran niyo yun yung additional. Then maximum benefits limit of 100,000 pesos per year for the dependent. Then they have also company paid sessions with psychologists, psychiatrist, and life coach. Oh, diba? Bongga. Next, they have also optical benefits, medicine reimbursement, and pet support program. And also they have weekly pay via money transfer, performance and impact-based cash bonuses. So, diba? They have bonuses. Annual cash bonuses, example, 13-month pay, Christmas cash gift. They have also company benefits like maternity assistant by HMO, flexible benefits, paid time off, and birthday leave. For statutory government benefits, included din sa binibigay nila, which is maternity and paternity leaves, solo parental leaves, VAWC leaves, and Magna Carta leave. And they also give cash bonuses sa mga performers nilang virtual assistant. And also, lastly, career growth opportunities. So, diba? So, you can earn here up to 46,000 per month once na match kayo with client. And there you have it, guys. So those are the websites that you can find virtual assistant jobs, whether you're a beginner or someone with experience na. Each of these companies provide amazing benefits and opportunities for your career growth. Sana makatulong ito sa yung video na to sa paghahanap mo ng work. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, of course, and syempre subscribe and hit the notification bell para updated kayo